G'day and welcome back to Buildsum. In this video I want to go through the calculations to work out how wide we're going to make our opening when we build our frame, our opening for a door. So obviously in that opening we've got to fit our door, our jamb, a little bit of room for packing, so we have to make it a little bit wider than the actual door is. Normally on the plan they'll just tell us what size door is going to go in the opening. We have to work out the width for ourselves. So we have a look down on top of the wall and we'll get rid of the frame. So we're going to get left with our door, jamb, and a little bit of packing on both sides. So obviously the first thing and the largest thing we have to consider is the width of the door. So 820 is a fairly standard size, and standard sizes include 770, 720, 670, and down to 620. But nowadays you can just about get any door width you want. So the first thing is obviously the width of the door. In this case it's 820. Then on each end we've got to consider the thickness of the jamb material, the thickness of the narrower piece of jamb material, not the wider piece up here, just how wide that is. So there's 15mm in this case, could be 18mm, 19mm. Alright, so whatever the thickness of your jamb material is going to be, that has to be factored in. You also have to factor in the clearance you're going to have between your door and the jamb material. So 3mm is fairly typical if you're going to paint the door and the jamb. If you're going to stain it or put a clear finish on it, you might be able to get away with 2mm. Alright, so we've got an allowance for our clearance there. And then we have to have some packing just in case our studs are slightly out of whack, they're not quite plumb. Give a little bit of wiggle room, so I've allowed 10mm packing between the jamb and the stud on this side, and of course those dimensions have to get repeated on the other side, so we allow them all twice. So if we add all those up, that gives us our opening between our studs. Now obviously 4mm to get us up to 880, we could quite easily just say we're going to put them in at 880. It just means there'll be a little bit more packing on either side. Right, so that'll give us, we go back to our frame, that gives us an 876mm or 0.876mm opening. And as I said, I'd probably just go to 880 opening between our two studs in our wall.
G'day again, I'm back. Just to let you know, if you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook so you don't miss out on more great videos.